Gikuo kia muhuthiri wa nenda cia ukinyaniria Albert Ojwang mweri-ini wa gatandatu mwaka uyu ni undu wacungiriirie mirurungano na marakara kuma kuri muingi magikinyiriria kihoto gikinyanirio ukirikana Ojwang oragiirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central. Aria makuithirie mutharaba cira-ini uyu ari OCS wa Central Samson Talam, Constable James Mukwana, afitha Peter Kimani na raia angi atatu. Omothe igeria riao ria kwenda marekererio na mbeca baribari rekiringa ihiga. Mucirithania wa igoti nene Diana Kaveza niwe ukinyanirie itua riri akiuga maabitha aya meguthii na mbere kuhingiririo nginya aira cira-ini uyu marekererie wira wao niguo kweheria wagagu o wothe wao guthoga uira na CCTV kana kuingirira aira cira-ini uyu muno makiria aria ni maabitha ruhonge-ini rwa borithi.
Public interest demands that the accused remain in custody while awaiting trial so as to safeguard public order, reassure victims and their families, and preserve confidence in the justice system. Accordingly, I find that the scale of public unrest and destruction following the deceased's death constitute a compelling reason within the meaning of Article 49(1)(h) of the Constitution to deny bail to all the 6 accused persons.
Ona gutuika mawakiri aekwirwo ni mataririe gutire na wira uronania ekwirwo ni mathogete kana kuingirira aira cira-ini uyu. Mucirithania Kaveza augite cira-ini toyo no muhaka maigananie mabataro ma muingi na ugitiri wao handu ha kihoto kia ekwirwo iria cira ugukinya gikiro-ini ta giki.
Addition, the demonstrated risk of witness interference provides a further compelling reason against the first, second, and third accused. The application for bail is therefore declined at this stage. Parties are at liberty to make a fresh application for bail bond once key civilian witnesses and police officers from Central Police Station have testified. That is the ruling of the court.
Riu ekwirwo aya meguthii na mbere kuhingiririo nginya riria aira maritengemania uira wao cira-ini uyu.